The Hong Kong and Shanghai Corporation Banking Corporation HSBC Recruitment 2023, Work from Home, Office, Hybrid Work Style, Private Job Update, for various global support executive posts. All eligible and interested candidates can apply on or before the 10th of August 2023. Further information about the HSBC recruitment vacancies, salary details, application fee, selection process, educational qualifications, results, age limit and all other details, information about this post is mentioned in details below. Job location for HSBC Recruitment 2023. The candidates can work from home and work from office too. It's an hybrid work style. For work from office, the job location will be Bangalore. Procedures and standards. Demonstrate ways to improve customer service and increase productivity. Provide service excellence and drive quality of work for improving customer satisfaction. Investigate break exceptions on foreign exchange and precious metals transactions for HSBC Bank, including identifying causes of breaks and taking necessary steps to resolve. To know more about role and responsibilities, visit the detailed notification. Salary, pay and grade pay. For Global Support Executive, Work from Home, Office, Hybrid post, the payable salary will be 36,600 rupees per month approximately. Age. For this recruitment, candidate age must be at least 18 years. There is no upper age limit mentioned for this recruitment. Educational qualifications. The educational qualification details for this post is mentioned below. Global Support Executive, a graduate degree in any discipline. Knowledge and skills required. Strong interpersonal skills. Ability to speak and understand English fluently. Ability to write letters and create memos comprehensible to related departments. Ability to grasp quickly. Basic computer knowledge. Knowledge of financial markets. Knowledge of surveillance tool is preferable. Knowledge of regulatory norms around capital market. Ability to work under pressure. Selection method. For HSBC recruitment, the candidate will be selected on the basis of shortlisting, assessment test and virtual, telephonic or field interview. If a candidate is shortlisted according to their desired qualification, she will be intimated via registered mobile number or email aid. Work experience. No essential work experience required for this post. Fresher candidates and candidates with no experience can also apply for this recruitment. Last date for submitting application form. All candidates must apply on or before the 10th of August 2023. After the last date, no application form will be submitted. Application fee. There will be no application fee for any candidate. Genuine recruiters never ask for money to schedule interview or offer a job. If you receive such calls or emails, beware as this might be a job scam. Important note, application forms received after due date will not be entertained under any circumstances. Incomplete or late applications without enclosures will summarily be rejected without any reasons in correspondence. Therefore, application forms must reach before the last date. Belated, incomplete applications are liable to be rejected.